Gypsy Rose's moose knuckles. I think Gypsy Rose's moose knuckles the fountain of youth, because why are two men fighting over her right now after she had that special needs autistic boy come to her house in the dead of night and skin her mama alive? All three of y'all look like boneheads, especially the one that had the baby with her. Y'all doing all this back and forth shit talking, I want to fight, bitch, if you don't give each other a fucking phone call. At this point, y'all need a fucking Zoom meeting. To the one who looks like Lenny off Shark Tales or that little boy with the plump face off Lazy Town, you need to tone it the fuck down. Don't nobody want your girl. You need to be worried about vaping in that room with that newborn. He said CPS came to your house to do a checkup like that's perfectly normal, bitch. That don't happen to everybody. I know plenty of parents who have never met CPS nor are they on CPS's radar, bitch. They came to check and see if that fucking knife was still behind her fake eye. To the bigger dude who was with her when she escaped from prison. You need to let that shit go. You done lost your fucking job. You losing your fucking mind. Every other week you get on here talking about you got some gypsy tea. Bitch, the tea is not piping hot no more. Let's get you some reality. You need to start living in real time. You living in the fucking past. While you at home watching reruns of you and Gypsy kiss and going live telling everybody the tea, you could be fucking bettering yourself, getting a new job, and fucking leaving that situation in the past. And the only reason your ass still got new tea is because you still be talking to Gypsy behind the scenes. That's why a little piece of me feel bad for you because you're really sweet, but the other half of me don't feel bad at all because you keep willingly involving yourself with a murderer. Gypsy, I'm trying to figure out what's more fucked up, your eyes or the way you did your mom. The real villain in the scenario is your pick-me ass. Instead of being off the internet like you fucking said, you have to have some aspect of drama in your life, so you sent your fruity ass boyfriend to come out here waving his hand around yelling at somebody. Y'all need to let the whole fucking situation go. Y'all are tired and very panini pressed. Unless you finna come tell us exactly what the fuck happened on the night that your mama passed away, I don't want to hear nothing else. Unless you done lay down in the bed with one of you niggas and told you the Krabby Patty formula, I do not care. Ken, if you need Ryan's number, just look in Gypsy's phone. Ryan, if you still want to talk about Gypsy all day, maybe you need to fucking go be with her and be with fucking Ken too, since he seemed like he like men's. Just keep the internet and keep the baby the fuck out of it. Y'all using it like it's a pawn when y'all need to be raising it.